Don't come with nothing at all because me I tell you say, Kartel take over back dancehall.
A few moments later.
Latch me, the boy, a lick, snatch.
Chip, clack, with that.
I'm sorry for the little vendetta fans them still. Because them done dead already, you know.
Remove your pussy wall and come down.
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock.
You don't know Media Fox, you know. You know a thing said. So, see I got a man forward out and I talk about a thing, but you don't know Media Fox go to work already. You see me? Yeah man, just hear what I say, cause I be a madness people.
For me. You know say, Vybz Kartel been carrying Mavado career from the get-going. Vybz Kartel been carrying Mavado career before prison. When him there prison, know him out, he still a carry Mavado career. Remember, Mavado drop a Jamaica. Nobody never really care. Mavado had a keep a show. The show cancelled. Nobody not even really care. Nobody never did even talk about the show.
Yo, me didn't know say this got me in people because you see them Gaza man yeah, them just always feel like say yo, Kartel are this energy source way. Like everything revolves around that the artist there. See, because me didn't know say see the Gaza and the Gully show thing are going. Me know what them money I go forward out and say. Them are going to say Kartel give Mavado strength. He must say Kartel carry Mavado career. I say, yo, Jano youth. So, if you are going to say that, it go both ways. Because remember, say, Mavado make Kartel start to the Sing J thing. You understand? But me no understand what mean by Kartel carry Mavado career. Me no understand that. Oh man, if stay a prison and carry man career. Oh, what this man? Them man, brother. Some money so them fall out in the media and talk, dog. Yo, you have to wonder more while, brother. I know where you try. I tell you, say, you just run with hype, you know, bro. Like, what happened with Kartel, brother? The prison release, all of them little thing there, brother. Mavado father Jamaica. First of all, with Mavado fall down, nobody never see him. And I like the man come out and say, people, my father Jamaica. The man move like a night agent. Nobody never know. Them just see a picture. So that show you say, yo, the man never want nobody know same day at Jamaica. Or, you understand? Because I remember say people them put out warrant and all of them things. So the man, they just want to move in a way where him never want nobody him know him moving at the country. You see me? And at the end of the day, he might talk about shows and brother, you have to understand, you know, bro. The show, I think how them say it I keep Ochi. Bro, certain place mash up and you have to understand, bro, like you see what I go on, people need help. You see me? In the atmosphere, yeah, nothing wrong if them cancel the show because I based on the hurricane thing. And you have to understand, say, bro, people don't really have the money like that, you know. You see me? And I think, yeah, party keep, but at that magnitude and, you know, you can just go on and put at rest and thing, you see me? If them say them no want to keep it based on the hurricane, fine, because a lot of people lose a lot of things and, you know, it prefer them just, alright, put it at a next time and then, you know, do a, you know, you don't know, Mavado give out something, some donation and something and, you know, I don't feel it. If the show they keep people that still forward out, same me, but when I look on the hype thing, I have to remember, say, bro, Kartel locked up for 13 years in a prison and nobody couldn't see him. People say Mavado because him go Canada, him go UK. People still see him who fly from Jamaica. Them a see him in the media. Them never see Kartel in the media when him there prison. So him forward down, which nobody never knows him father Jamaica. Them just see a picture. You understand? And brother, not every artist run on the hype. You understand? And that uno run with. Not the hype, bro. People been seeing Mavado, brother. People fly go US go see Mavado. People fly go in the Caribbean go see Mavado. People fly go UK go see Mavado. Bro, people been seeing Mavado. So the demand and all of these things not really dead. Kartel now, nobody couldn't see Kartel for 13 years. Him couldn't perform, him couldn't do nothing. Couldn't fly nothing. So, we don't know what the comparison there, so.
Alright, Mavado dropped big guns. Nobody never care. Mavado was like a normal artist. No, everybody a talk about Mavado. Why? Why? Mavado song are the baddest song on the rhythm. Kartel need to answer Mavado. Because I'm biggest rival. All type of fuckery. Why? Because you see now the song, Bad and Bumbo Claridge, people have it to say, Mavado shade Kartel, Mavado fire 2 shot at Kartel. You understand? Yeah, anybody him killed done dead already.
Then if a man see that we attack, how much what is him war in a dancehall? Bro, no go on like, yo, them money, I tell you some of them guys are money weak out, you know, bro. Like, come on, bro, dancehall is competition. Like, wanna cry out and all them little thing there, bro. What if man show shades in a song of a man, what that? You understand? No means them I got answer, but if a man say yo fear or whatever, don't know wrong with that, brother. Dancehall this competition, that's how the thing said. You see me? When I make it seem like a some big deal thing, dog. Come on, bro. Look how much time I see Kartel perform on stage and I'm tour them. And the man singing Baba Boy song, Baba Boy Don't Run, and all of the diss tracks, the diss song them when sing towards Mavado. Them sing them on stage, but then people are sing them out. So what the difference? Bro, that not a sense, dog.
The fear of elephant trap. No. Everybody a talk about Mavado. Why? All because of Vybz Kartel. All because of Vybz Kartel. No?
Yo, that man is a madman, you know. Brother, you have to understand, say, yo, Mavado not really too do the hype and the media thing. You see it? That's the problem, bro. When you go on like, say, Kartel is this man where when him do something, everything, like, brother, people are talking about Mavado a long time, dog. You understand? Long time. When Mavado, yeah, he might not drop 2 songs and so, and him stay out of the little mix and where go on. I don't understand. When you go say Kartel, make people are talking about Mavado. Bro, people be not talking about Mavado, bro. So I don't know where you try to say this. So. But I know no Gaza man stay already still. You see me? Yeah.
You see, if people never feel immature 2 shades at Vybz Kartel in that song, nobody would even give a fuck about that song then. And it's just the truth. So I'm saying that to say this. Vybz Kartel have Mavado career in I'm palm I'm hand. And Vybz Kartel are going to forever bring Mavado career. Remember, you know? Mavado not no fans, you know. Alka Fish don't take all our fans them already, you know. It's sad still. Vybz.
Yo, dog, we had to tell it. People, yo, we had to tell them Gaza man, yeah, bro. The man them, yo, to me, them rate Alka, bro. The man them can't just reason about a topic and not bring Alkaline in night. Trust me, dog. The man say, yo, Alka took him over other fans. Bro, you know no sense in it, bro. Alka have him own fans, bro. Over other fans and over other fans, brother. You have to understand, say, yo, the fans them were loyal, them are going to stick with them artists. You see it? And that you don't realize. You see it, you still have people out there who still say Vendetta go the same way. You see me? And you have people who just say you're strictly Vendetta, and you have people who just say you're strictly Gully. That's how you think said. But this man I go say Kartel have Mavado carrying I'm palm, I'm hand. Brother, yo, sometimes when I make some accusation, dog, man, I tell you, when I feel like, so yeah, we are trying to say. When say Kartel have dancehall, no Kartel have Mavado. How would the bomber in a hand? Gonna sick, brother. I tell you that, I'm really sick, dog. I tell you, I'm really sick. Cause something I wanna say in the media that I feel just shape, mate. You see, because at the end of the day, bro, Mavado do him thing, Kartel do him thing. Yeah, them I don't want to look at friendly clash thing, tour thing. Yeah, money I have to make. You see me, at the end of the day, I still dance all to represent same way, you see it. But when I fall out here and make some talk, bro, like Kartel have Mavado career in palm. I don't understand this. So when Kartel they are prison, Mavado on their road, I do him thing same way. I don't understand it. Wait there. Was Mavado a Gaza artist? That more I know any people.
Kartel, when you go stop, bring Mavado career. Man, call out our massacre there. February almost done. And Massacre is nowhere to be found. You see, man, preview a song where me now want care and I say, people wonder where him there. And you are tell me, say the man hear Cartel 3, bang at them. And the man decides, you know, I'm not even release that song when me that go release me. I forgot make up back so a different song.
Yo. Yo, I want me here. I think me and man them say I must be Friday. Baby Crooks them say a Friday then the artist a drop song. You see it. But brother, when I feel like, you know, more why people feel like, more why I feel like them man I feel like say people are always a pay Cartel man, you know. So we Cartel 3 song if we do with Massacre song. I don't understand this. A Cartel authorize Massacre for drop song or what? I don't understand. Eh? Because when I put the whole dancehall and the artist thing industry, try to put it around Cartel, like, brother, the artists them do what them have to do. Artists them release them song how them want to release it. You see it, yeah? Massacre is a man, him do a little preview and then we after. We don't say back in the days, him usually throw some shades about artists talk about creative control and take long for release and know him a do it. Fine. Him do what he want, him release when he want to release. But this Cartel and this 3 song thing, we don't feel like say artists out there watch what Cartel a do for release song and brother I'm sick in the head, bro. You understand? Because you know me realize people wait. In a 2026 Cartel a release song or a fan him boss. Cause me don't understand. Fan Cartel fall from Prison Cartel been a release song and artist still a drop song after that. So how now True Cartel a drop 3 song now man a preface you in now bother him give time. That not make no sense, bro. You see it?
Because you're right, you know. The game change, you know, when I say the game change. So if you not come with something good, it not come with nothing at all. Don't come with nothing at all because I tell you, say, Cartel take over back dancehall. I'm sorry for the little vendetta fans them still. Because them done dead already, you know.
You see, with Uno now, I tell you, Alkaline on the rate, bro, no rate Cartel. You want to talk about Massacre? Yeah, and Alkaline just always. I tell you already, you know, bro. Alkaline 10 step ahead down, you know, brother. You understand? You have to call him name for make you know artists look certain type of way, you know, bro. You see it? Because you not run with a hype thing. You know music you not deal with, you know, bro. A hype you not run with, you know. That's all, you know, brother. Hype, that's all. You understand? When you just do a little moment, you get a little moment with the rhythm and couple song want to start by. Because Fan Cartel found out he never did buy music like that. I don't know what happened now in 2026. I must say true album I got drop and I want competition and all of them. Fine. You understand? But Alkaline thing always current, bro, when it comes to music. You see me? For the year I could just drop one song in my album I forward. So, you want to talk about that. First of all, if Alkaline, the last or them type of, you wouldn't even bring him up. And I bring up him Fanz them. It show your brother, what I call it. Alkaline a nightmare, dog. You see it? And for make, look like you do something, you have to try. Well, like you don't want to discredit or bring none, but you can't do that, dog. When it's a thing large, brother, that me I tell you. Cause right now, you can't keep Alkaline out of the conversation. You must feel it. You see it. So, at the end of the day, remember, you know, brother. Remember, say, people just start with phone song, you know, brother. Like, certain thing, you know. But then last year, a shows we not talk about, you know. We never that talk about music. Cartel that drop some song, we never pay it no mind. You see me, because I know I share with that. But now, album for release, you don't know him and Shensi do collab and all of them little thing there. And couple song and little controversy with SYM and all of them little thing there. And you know, him jump on the hot rhythm and you know all of them talk there. But before that, last year, we never talk about music. You understand? We never talk about music. Last year, one song me always bring up. And I God save that song there, so I don't know how now.
Them dead over 3 years now to blow. So them not even make no sense them even try come back because them dead. But Massacre, I can't believe say Cartel did a hand over Gaza to you. Gaza was there for you, get. But just through your dunce, just through you don't know if you wait your turn, just through your dark, illiterate and fool, and want run before you walk before you creep, you violate. Now your career gone. Because really and truly, time up, massacre, you know? Time up. You see people start talking about skipper. You know, say massacre career gone. Massacre career done for. It's sad still. Massacre, where you there?
So it go, man. But it's so funny. The worst thing is so funny. That's you see your artist a drop song and a bag of thing and you're there about the massacre. Wow, your artist hype. Don't know what you know with the look a song them. Yeah? Remember, no, uno say massacre career sing, but uno ask him, ask his song and all them look a thing there. We don't know massacre did film song them how him drop film thing them already. But it shows you say, when I realize, when it comes to Kartel, I just a hype. You see me? Just a hype them, David. And not really the music. The only time where you see them put up music are when it's a competition with other artists. You see me? Them start talk about, yo, Kartel do this and that and way. Anything Kartel gain attention, you know, I hit them use. Last year a show. Remember, you know, Kartel drop music, them not talk about it last year, you know. I show them I talk about. Now this year, now when no bag of show now go on like last year, now hear them. Yo, you see man a drop bag of song back to back. Watch it, Kartel been a release song from him forward from prison rapidly. But show the little album talk and all of them little thing, you know. Alkaline a release album. A bag of chatting. Yo, you see them start buying music. So me I say wait. Say, Lou, it last 2 albums, Vikings and Heart and Soul. Me never see the hype around them there. I walk one. All the next one before him release name Party With Me. We all of them hype there and buying and them bag of talk there and walk one. What make I know? Me not understand that. One no show now go on and know so when Kartel drop some music you know. We never go on with bag of thing and we don't know now run with like a hype thing and yeah. But once the hype run out, that's it. You see it, that's it. Cause me know them are gonna do people. So when you hear done, them are gonna talk about yo song this, yo see them wanna drop song rapidly. So me I say wait, Kartel been dropping songs, so how I know now hype it up. Me don't understand this. How now hype it up now? What true him kinda a going a little bad mind vibes thing. With the band ready song and all of them little thing, the controversy thing with which artist I get this or which artist I get talk. Want to the song them before? How I go on? You never drop some girl song and some little song. How I go on now? Eh? For sure, I say, brother, you know? Not just the hype, bro. Not enough music and dancehall, brother. I tell you that. Is it? Yeah, but you know what thing said? I found an agenda that you know, but hype not survive for too long, you see it? Yeah, man. You know what thing setting up people. Big up all of my supporters, you know. You don't know. Yeah, man. All the apps, them, man. All who narrate media facts, I have to big one up, can dip on my channel and support see me and I watch what I go on. You see me? Yeah. I don't know what thing said. One media facts. That is it.